Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and for my second brand ambassador box. Yeah, we're already on to the second quarter of the brand ambassador lineup for 25-26. So let's have a look at what I've got. As usual, the box is just way too big to actually fit onto my table, so I'm gonna have to move it to the side and I'll just bring things out from here. So what have I gone for this time? So what sort of things are you gonna be seeing coming up? So I've stocked up on a couple of basics this time. So I've got some black chipboard sheets and also gone for the 5 1/4 by 5 1/4 cards. Now the G45 cards blanks I haven't used in a while, so are great because they come with no score line, which means if you want to do a gatefold, you can do a regular one. So it just offers you the opportunities. If you wanted to do a zigzag one, just cut into 3, you can. And then of course, they will fit into your envelopes. I do like the G45 envelopes because they're not your regular triangular ones. They're more of this rectangular flaps. So we can have a little look at making some cards, especially with Christmas coming up. And then you may already know that I fall in love with Seize the Day. So I have grabbed some extra Seize the Day papers. So I've got another one of the 12 by 12 and the 8 by 8 and some more of the patterns of solids just to fill up my stash. So yeah, we've got a few Seize the Day projects still to come up from before, so expect to see a lot more. I just love the colours in that. And then, we have some of the new collections. So I'm not going to open the new collections. I'll do a proper walkthrough of the collections like I've done before for you to see the collections and for those of you who want to see what's in them in more detail. But this is just a little overview. So again, Deck the Halls is the new Christmas collection. Now let's just have a look at the cover sheet because that gives us an idea of the colours and images we're going to be seeing. So we have these reds and blues and greens. So nice traditional colours this time. And the new size patterns and solids as well. These are the 8.5 by 11. And I do like the pattern solids here with the red with text and the white with the red images. They're just going to be lovely for making panels and stuff on our cards and our Christmas projects. And I've gone for the 8 by 8 smaller versions of it, so it's exactly the same, just shrunk down. But I have got some cards coming up which I've created with Fairy Boutique. So if you're looking for Christmas card ideas, then have a look when they come out, because I've made them to use the 3 by 4 and 6 by 4 journal cards. So if I thought I might have been able to use these papers with them. And I've also got some of the rub-ons to match as well. So you can see the images tie in lovely and it all matches. So that's the new Deck the Halls. A lot brighter than the last couple of Christmases ones. So who knows? I've got cards, I've got Christmas papers. I'm sure at some point some Christmas cards will appear. And this is the one I've been waiting for. Ghostly Greetings. The new Halloween themed paper. And I love how they've tied in the florals and the Halloween images in this one. Do you know what? I said I wasn't going to open up, but let's just have a look at the journal cards maybe, because that gives us just the idea of what the collection is about. Oh, we've got 6 by 6 squares. Let's have a look. Oh, the journal cards are grey on the back this year. That's why I can't See, we've got the patterns of solids there. I think they're hiding. I think you might have to wait until they're... Ah, no, here they are. They just look like like they had so many images on them. So that's the back. So you can see where the 6x4 images are. Okay, these are fab. And this time, so the image goes across. So when we trim it, it goes through. So this is the first time I've opened it up to actually have a look. Okay, those are cool. So Halloween coming up, or just spooky projects. Definitely looking forward to playing with them. Got an idea for a Halloween treat box already, which I need to finish off for you all. So these are the colours then that are in the collection, in the patterns of solids. The red, black, orange and green. I said I'll do a full walkthrough of the collection for you. Then I've also got the 8x8. This is the size I was hoping to use for my potion bottles. There, I've given it away now, haven't I? So I've got some potion bottles coming up, which I'm hoping to use this if it all works out properly. And even if it's the patterns of solids I need, there are patterns of solids in this now. So it should work out. And I might decorate them with either some rub-ons or some ephemera pieces. So I haven't actually finalised the decorations yet, but that's what I'll be using. And the third new thing we've got to work with, it's opened up, is Botanical tea. So bring it out so it's not glaring, because it comes in this folder, because this is the new keepsake kit. So this is like the old collector's editions Graphic 45 used to do. So it's an old collection brought back with some updated elements. So this time we have the sticker sheet again. We have ephemera pieces. As I said, I will do a proper walkthrough of this, but we have the patterns of solids and the collection. But I've been lucky enough this time to get the metal die set as well. So let's have a look at that. Oh, thank goodness it's right there. So in the collection, we do have these flowers this time. So it's been a while since I've made paper flowers. So I'm looking forward to having a go with them and seeing what sort of projects I can make with it. And if I'm stuck, I can always refer to the project sheet and I can just make some of them instead. So no, so yeah, so there's the new Botanical tea keepsake collection. So keep an eye out. I will do a proper flick through. So if you do want to see exactly what's in here in more detail, then keep an eye out for that video coming up. So Botanical tea. And then there's just a little bit left. So I've got some just papers for practicing with. So I've gone for some of the collections which are going to be retiring soon, which is quite sad because these are some of the ones I've really enjoyed working with as brand ambassador before. So if you've seen some of my past projects and you want to make some of them using the papers, I've got a few Flight of Fancy. I've done a few Sunshine on My Mind and, well, quite a few projects using The Beach is Calling as well. So if you do like the projects I've made with these in the past, get your skates on, get over to the Graphic 45 website or your stockist and grab yourselves some of these. So there we are, some building up on my stash. We've got a new keepsake, the Botanical tea. We're going to get ready for the festive season with Deck the Halls. Ghostly Greetings, such a fun collection. I've got some more Seize the Day and some more just staples as well. So there we go. That's what you've got coming up, and to expect some projects using some of these. As I said, if you want to see any of these collections in more detail, do subscribe to my channel because I will do more detailed videos for you to see exactly what's in them. But as I said, this is just the overview for the people who've seen the photo of my box in my Facebook group, which is called Paper Crafting with Paul. I'll link in the description below. They've been asking what was in the box, what was in the box. So this is just a quick flick through of what was in my box. So please do leave a comment in the description below. Let me know what you're looking forward to most of all. Is it the Halloweeny stuff? Is it the Christmas stuff? Is it cards? Is it albums? What is it you'd like to see this time? So thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button to be told when these projects come up as well. So thanks for watching and see you all again soon.